They're not coming back? Let's see, where are they? Oh, there's some in the field right there.
Yeah, there's prairie dogs. They're back. They came back.
They camouflage so well. They're hard to see. There's one. There's two. Oh, look, he's standing up.
Yeah, he's standing. Prairie dogs. Thank you. Let me have this little stuff here. Little prairie dog.
You're welcome, baby.
But more. Look at the prairie dog. Why? Look at all these prairie dogs. What? A camouflage. They're back. I knew they were coming back. Camouflage.
Yeah?
I knew that.
Oh, yep, there's one right up there. Oh, running across.
There's one in the field.
Yeah, there's a couple out there.
It's hiding. I knew the prairie dogs would come back.
Of course. I told you, this is where they live.
The prairie dog popped out of the hole.
Did he come out of his little hole?
Yeah.
There it is.
These are where we live. Nice home. So much grass right there.
Mm-hmm.
They choose the nice home. And there's a prairie dog. There's one. I knew the prairie dog would come back.
Oh.
What's in the hole again? He's out now. Is he gonna go back in there? He just came in. Maybe he's cold.
I don't think it's cold. It's not that cold outside.
He's coming back up. He's so cute. Like this prairie dog.
Oh, there's another one back there.
They're like prairie dogs. Like it starts with dog, but it's purr.
No, it's Prairie. That's like where they live, is on a prairie. Oh, there's a whole bunch down there too.
Yeah, look at all these.
Look at them all down the grass, guys. Like all down there. Oh,
Look at them.
oh, is that a tumbleweed? Did I just see a tumbleweed?
Something in the hole.
Oh no,
He goes over.
that's a
the
spot on. That's not a tumbleweed. That's a spot on the windshield.
hole. Oh my god, look at them in the hole.
Oh my goodness, look at them all go.
Just look at them have fire. The prairie dog has left in the.
Oh, because there's a dog coming. Oh no, there's a dog. Uh oh. They all ran and hid.